You search for how to buy shares of Blackstone Mortgage Trust Inc. Blackstone Mortgage Trust Inc. is a mortgage investment trust specializing in commercial real estate debt, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker BXMT. This is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will usually need to verify your account with a government ID and then add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BXMT to find the stock. Then select the listing that matches Blackstone Mortgage Trust Inc. on NASDAQ to ensure it is the correct instrument. On the asset page, you can review basic company information and a price chart to confirm details. Verify the issuer name, exchange NASDAQ, and the BXMT ticker before proceeding. Click Investor Trade, choose the amount you want to allocate, review the order, and confirm to submit it. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at market open, and if you don't have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it there. For convenience, the broker link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.